Living in a bustling city requires a mode of transportation that can keep up with the fast-paced and demanding lifestyle. The Storck Name 2 e-bike seems to have grasped the essence of urban living, offering a perfect blend of compact appearance and sporty performance. While Storck has made a name for itself with high-performance road bikes, the Name 2 marks its venture into the world of electric bikes, catering to the needs of those navigating the urban jungle daily. One of the standout features of the Storck Name 2 is its 24-inch wheels, perfectly suited for maneuvering through city streets. The compact dimension and shape draw inspiration from BMX bikes, allowing riders to effortlessly zip through crowded areas. Despite its small frame, the Name 2 prioritizes comfort, boasting a tall seat post and standard handlebars that ensure a pleasant ride, whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a leisurely cruise through the city. Beyond its sleek appearance, the Name 2 is a powerhouse in terms of performance. Weighing a mere 17 kilograms, it's exceptionally light for an e-bike, thanks to Storck's innovative use of carbon fiber reinforced material, the same material utilized in their high-performance race bikes. The Fazo Ride 50 trail motor further enhances its capabilities, providing an impressive 50 Nm of torque that effortlessly conquers even the steepest hills, making urban commuting a breeze. For tech enthusiasts, the Storck Name 2 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a high-performance 12-speed Shimano XTM8100 drivetrain, ensuring smooth and precise gear transitions. The Schwalbe Big Bend tires, specifically chosen for city riding, offer stability and security on various urban terrains. However, it's important to note that the Name 2 is developed exclusively for urban use, making it an ideal choice for city dwellers, seeking a reliable and stylish mode of transportation in a fast-paced urban environment. With its combination of style, performance, and technological features, the Storck Name 2 stands out as a compelling option for those looking to seamlessly navigate the challenges of city life. The price tag of approximately $5,235 is undeniably on the higher end of the spectrum, placing the Storck Name 2 in the premium category. However, this cost might be justified by the bike's high-performance components, innovative materials, and advanced motor technology. For enthusiasts seeking top-notch appearance, cutting-edge features, and a lightweight yet powerful electric bike, the Storck Name 2 could be seen as a worthy investment. As the e-bike market continues to evolve rapidly, the Storck Name 2 positions itself as a solid contender, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and innovation. The question remains, does its set of features justify the hefty price tag, especially considering the absence of certain practical elements? This is a subjective matter and depends on individual preferences, priorities, and the intended use of the bike. In the rapidly improving niche of electric bikes, where innovation and competition thrive, the Storck Name 2's success will likely be determined by the discerning choices of consumers. Whether it becomes a staple for urban commuters or a niche choice for enthusiasts remains to be seen. What are your thoughts on the Storck Name 2? Do you believe it's a solid contender in the evolving world of e-bikes? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Have a nice day and good luck.